God might be thought of as a poet, for he was not content to expound abstract principles, but shaped them into the violets, clouds, stars, dew, redbirds, tigers, human beings, and all the rest of the infinite variety of fantastic, noble, original, unique things that form the world. Many of us are so much part of life that we take no time or thought to listen to what life has to say to us. We simply live. But some are listeners. They have time, or take time, to stand on a corner of the world and listen to what the wind has to say in such a hurry, or the tree so patiently, or the cloud so briefly, or the flower in the wall, or the city street, or the people. Oh, the lovely, beloved people. Or the still, small voice within. We are listeners. Are you a listener?